This video talks through the customer orders including workshop list from within the back office. Go to the menu and select Customers, Receipts and Orders. Then select Customer Orders including Workshop. By default, this shows any open orders on the system. Use the filter buttons at the top of the page to change what is visible. For example, click Show All and the list will show closed and open orders. On this system, there is only one order, which is this open order. It is possible to do a number of things from here. Clicking the down arrow will open the order details. Items against that order are now visible. Relevant stock figures and purchase order dates are visible. Any receipts that have been printed off against this order can be viewed. This is very useful for tracking order history. Clicking on the receipt will open up that particular receipt to see what occurred at that point of the order process. Clicking the green Open Order button would navigate to the point of sale and open the order. Clicking the customer's name would navigate to the customer details within the back office. Clicking on the Order Actions button opens the ability to add notes to the order, view and edit an order comment, view and print an A4 invoice, and for multi-store environments enables the order to be moved between stores. Clicking on the Change Order Status option enables the assignment of a status to the order. For example, assigning Waiting on Parts and clicking Save that order status adds that status to the order status column. Clicking on Order Actions and View Edit Order Comment or Order Notes enables the addition of more information. For example, noting that the items have not arrived because the purchase order is late. Click Save. The notes will then be visible against the order.